Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We're taking a look at the highest end luxury fifth wheel that we sell here at General RV. This is a 2021 Heartland Landmark. The model is Newport. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features. Then, we're gonna give you 3 things we love about this fifth wheel and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from MattsRVReviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you 3 things we love and 3 things we don't love about every RV that we review. And again today, I am super excited to be taking a look at this high-end luxury fifth wheel, the Landmark. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Hey Will!
Hey guys!
How's it going?
It's going good.
What a beautiful day here in Tampa, Florida.
It's perfect weather here, and I'm excited to take a look at the Landmark 2. You guys know I love my fifth wheels, especially the higher end ones, and you know, this is the best of the best, really.
Yep, absolutely. Will, let's begin.
All right.
Model is Landmark Newport. The tip-to-tip length of this fifth wheel is 42 feet 6 inches. The dry weight is 14,122 pounds. And Will, the hitch weight?
3,048 pounds.
That is heavy.
Sure
Remember,
is.
it's not necessarily about how much you can tow, it's about that pin weight as well. Right up here, we do have a beautiful painted fiberglass front cap. Psych, the whole thing is full body paint. Standard, that is not an option when you get to the Landmark level. You got your LED lights right here, and a nice MattsRVReviews pin box right here. Coming on down the side, we do have some storage above, right there. Very nice storage. Right over here, it's gonna be your battery component. You can see your hydraulic fluid for your 6-point hydraulic leveling. And then right down here, it is prepped for a generator. Coming on down the side here, we do have your propane tank. You can see the landing gears right there. Very nice. Nice big power awnings, 2 power awnings with, see the metal awning covers as well?
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Very nice feature with frameless windows. Coming on down the side here. Wow. Nice big passenger storage right there. Okay. This is something that's a big no-no in my opinion.
Look
at this water heater right here.
Oh yeah.
On a beautiful full body paint job. We will talk about that later. Coming on down the side, because this is a Heartland motorhome fifth wheel, they do use the Azdel sidewall composite, which is a green-based material that will never ever delaminate on you. Right here, when you open this up, we do have these nice solid steps right here, and it does have the hydraulic assist, making it very big, easy, and nice to lift up and down into the RV. And then look at these tires, Will. They're the Saloons. I love those. 215-75R17. And you do have the MattsRVReviews CRE 3000 suspension. Right over here, we do have a TV on the outside. Summit TV with speakers right there. Coming on down the side here. Right there, that underneath, that's where your spare tire is, spare tire carrier. Coming around the back, no bumper for your stinky slinky. You do have a hitch. It is rated for 300 pounds of vertical. It is not rated to tow behind this. And right there, it is prepped for the Furrion backup camera system. Coming around to the driver's side, 50 amp power cord with a reel. Is this plugged in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 50 amp power cord with a reel right there. Very nice. Over here, there's going to be a refrigerator access panel right there. Okay. Over here's your sewer water connection and everything. Very nice. Your sewer hose holder right there. And then this, it's all your water hookups, gray tanks, black water flush, potable water fill. Potable. Very nice. Then here's the other side of your propane. Well, the outside of the fifth wheel looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right. Hey, you forgot to mention the marker lights too. With the cameras.
Prep for the Fury on side camera marker lights. Is that Bailey? Come on over here real quick, Bailey. What do you want to say to America?
Hello. Come buy an RV from me.
If you're looking for a fifth wheel, this is Bailey.
Hi.
And she will help you with any fifth wheel or travel trailer.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Good to see you.
Yep, good to see you. What's your extension?
2632.
If you call the Tampa store, 2632. Let's check out the inside.
All right, we'll start up front. You got the bedroom or the bathroom up front, and then the bedroom here. Kitchen in the middle, and then your typical rear living in the back.
Well, I don't know if you want to use the word typical.
Right.
There's nothing typical about this. This is fancy. This is bougie.
That's right.
I like it. This is a statement. This is, they don't even use the Thomas Paine theater seats. They have the Landmark Edition Thomas Paine
That's
theater
right.
seats. We're gonna start back here, okay?
Okay.
These seats are recliners. Normally, it's the tri-cushion tri-fold. This does not make a bed. People who buy this unit, they don't want anybody sleeping here. They don't want guests. You know,
They want people dirtying up their couch.
Yep, it is theater seats right there. Very nice cup holders. Very big windows. I like the valances. MCD daytime shades and privacy shades. Very nice. And then, Will, can you get that big storage for us?
Sure. That storage up top here, all wood cabinets, it feels like.
Yes. Oh, Will, of course.
Yeah. Storage there as well.
I like that light back there.
Yep. And up there as well.
Very nice. Big storage right there. We have a ceiling fan and whisper quiet air conditioning units. And then over here, check this out. You have a little... I
So
like
cool,
that.
huh?
I like that. You have like the little coffee table that swings up and makes a desk area. You have your theater seats right here. We are plugged in. So,
Heated and massaged too, right?
yes, sir. And then again, look at the real big windows all the way around. Wow, there's no cabinetry all around either, which gives you less cabinetry, but it gives you more headspace. And then directly across is your entertainment center. You do have the black cabinetry right here. It's not black, it's like a dark brown black. Does that make sense or no?
Yeah.
Yep. Big TV right here. Oh, with storage in the safe.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is cool. I didn't know that would be there. Very nice feature. You got your sound bar right there, Furrion fireplace. And we got storage right there. And storage right there. Then over here, notice how there's no carpet on the dinette. It's that nice material. Nice table and chairs right here. I like this light fixture. This does not make a bed. It is good for 2 people. And it's just very, very nice. Does this lift up?
Sure does.
Sure does. To extend and to have storage underneath the table. Well, Will, it's now time for the MSRP. MSRP on this fifth wheel here is $143,627 MSRP. Sale prices, you can see there, we don't currently have a sale price, but will. We do represent this at the Tampa RV show, and so we sell a ton of landmarks.
That's right.
So if you're in the model for a landmark and you want the best price in America, we'll tell everybody what to do.
They can call, they can text, they can email, they can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962 or MattsRVReviews@gmail.com, or the best thing to do is go to MattsRVReviews.com. You're ready to buy, click tab number 1. We will give you the best price. It only lasts for about 24 hours, so if you're not ready to buy, do not click tab number 1. If you have questions, click tab number 2. Will and I will get back to you ASAP, and we will set you up to be ready to buy. Or if it's just a generalized fan question and you're not ready to buy anytime soon, no big deal. click that third tab. And Will, it doesn't matter if somebody's ready today, tomorrow, next week, or next month, or next year. What's the one thing we will always get you?
The best price in America.
Will, let's continue the video.
All right, sounds good. We'll start over here.
Wow.
About the microwave.
Beautiful.
Nice, beautiful cabinetry.
Yeah, man.
It really is. Tons of storage as well. Right there. And then we have a nice regular microwave insignia right there.
Very big size, yes, sir.
Yeah, this nice backsplash that lights up all the way around.
I like the way that looks.
Yep, solid surface countertops throughout the whole kitchen.
Yep.
3-burner Furrion cooktop. And got some drawers and storage right here and here.
Very nice. Pull out drawers.
Yep. And then over here, you got some storage above the ovens.
Yes, sir.
And notice I said ovens with an S, because
Oh!
this might be one of the first we've ever reviewed
Man.
with 2 Furrion ovens.
Double oven.
That's pretty cool. And some storage down below. And then, above the refrigerator, add a little more storage.
Uh-huh.
Nice insignia refrigerator as well.
Yes, sir.
And freezer down below.
Very nice.
Nice big pantry right there as well.
Wow.
And then on the kitchen island, you got a nice faucet. The two-tone, I'm not crazy about that.
Not crazy about it either.
But solid surface countertops. Notice this is a different color too than where the stove and oven is.
Interesting. And it lights up right there.
Yep. And then the solid surface inserts and single bowl sink. Farmhouse style. And then you got some storage here with the drawers.
Very nice.
Right there. And underneath the sink.
Very nice.
There, and right here.
Nice. Cool. Well, it's now time for the toilet test part 1.
Okay.
All right. Look at this.
Man.
Nice medicine cabinets. Very big and spacious. Solid surface in the bathroom. Little sink right there. Little storage right there. Believe it or not, they almost messed it up.
Really?
Actually,
They kind of did, huh?
they kind of did, brother.
Because if you shut the door.
Yeah, shut that door. Walk out of that. Nope.
Nope. No can do.
They should have put it this way.
Just a little more angled, huh?
They should have just. It's the angle of the dangle. Can't give it a prime poop position, but I'm telling you guys,
It's not bad.
if it rotates, then you're A-okay.
Yeah.
I'm not giving it a fail. Not giving it a pass. Okay, then in the hallway, fuse boxes right there. Jacket closet right there. And that right there. Inside the bedroom, tilt up king bed. Very nice. I like what's going on here. I think that looks very good. You got your summit, a little seat right there to sit, to put your shoes on with storage underneath there. We have a ton of storage right here and here. And 2 drawers right there. Got more storage there. More storage there. And again, a big drawer right there. Yep. Power and USB on the
Yep.
sides, you know, decent. I'm not a huge fan of the tilt-up beds, but well, wow. Look at this.
That's
ooh,
nice.
Ooh, what am I doing? I didn't mean. I'm sorry, sir.
No, you're fine. All right, nice teak seat, and you know this is gonna pass.
Wow.
Nice big shower. It's passing in every direction. Length, width, depth, height. It's perfect. Bing.
That passes the shower test right
Sure
there,
does.
folks. Over here, this is where you would put a stackable washer and dryer, but it doesn't take away from that front storage. Look at this. It's a walk-in closet for the
That's
most part.
awesome.
You have a little vacuum right there, shoe closet, everything. Very, very nice. And spare chairs right there. Right over here is going to be, let's do this right here.
Okay.
Let's just get this out of the way. This is a prime poop position. Let's just get that out of the way. Because that was a solid prime poop
That
position.
was.
You have the medicine cabinet right there. Nice little storage right there. Sink with the part actually in the granite.
Yeah, that's cool.
Interesting. Storage right there. and some drawers right there. Very nice, Will. And as nice as it is, and as high-end as it is, it's now time we give everybody 3 things we love about the Newport and 3 things we just dislike about it. Will, what do we do first?
3 things we dislike?
I have all 3 if you don't have one.
I have 2, actually.
Oh, you have 2?
Do I have 2? Yeah.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, we're actually in a good spot because if you look when I stand up straight, this ceiling is very, very low. And especially if I was to walk here, I could see myself hitting my head on that every single morning.
Oh.
Going to the bathroom.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's just a little too low.
That's one.
By like a
What's your number
inches.
2?
My number 2 is when I was trying to open this fridge. I think this.
I did notice that.
Yeah, this fridge was designed weird.
Yep.
And this
look at
door
that.
won't open all the way.
Okay.
And I could totally see you messing.
Yep,
something
cracking that
here.
up. Or the fridge.
Or the fridge. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, that's a great number 2.
Okay.
I have a number 3.
You had one on the outside.
Oh, I did. I'm gonna combo it.
Okay.
My opinion, I don't like the 2 ovens in this unit. Here's what I mean. I love the 2 ovens. I think that's fantastic.
Right.
This unit only sleeps 2.
Right.
What are you cooking? 2 DiGiorno's at one time? You know what I'm saying? You're not cooking for families,
Right.
if that makes sense. I feel like the 2 ovens need to be in every luxury 5th wheel with bunk beds.
Exactly.
100%. But, you know, does that make sense?
Yeah, definitely.
So that's 3.5.
2.5?
2.5. And then number 3, if you are $140,000 MSRP, you have to paint the water heater out
Right.
there. That's atrocious.
That is.
Atrocious. Great, so that's 3 things we don't like about it. Now it's time for 3 things we love about this 5th wheel. Ready for me to go first?
Sure.
I absolutely love the decor. Remember in the Alliances, I did not like the separation of colors?
Yeah.
I think it looks great in here.
Right.
I don't want to say I didn't like separation of colors. I just didn't like it in that. I think, you know what it kind of looks like? It kind of looks like Reese's.
Right.
You know, chocolate and peanut butter. And it just goes together.
It does.
Yeah. So that's 1. 2.
Okay, I'm going to say I agree with Matt on the ovens, but I love the space you have for cooking in here.
Well, listen, you can say that you like the ovens as part of your likes.
No, yeah, I do like the ovens.
Okay.
I like it, but I do agree that it's not really... Like, who's ever going to say no to 2 ovens?
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't really hurt. I like that they have 2 ovens, I guess. But no, what I'm saying that I more like is how it is set up really well for cooking.
It really is.
You know, I feel like since they did this, they didn't take up as much room around the oven or around the stove, so you can get all your utensils in there easy. You have plenty of room on either side, nice big island and all that. So.
And we gotta hurry.
Uh-oh.
We're at 8%.
Okay.
And then, well, number 3, please stand under the dinette.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Look at that head
Right
space.
there. Yeah.
That is
Awesome.
huge. This is a big, deep slide out, and I absolutely love that.
Yep.
Well, that's it. That's the review. Thank you, absolutely everybody, so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this 5th wheel, please call, text, send us an email. It is MattsRVReviews@gmail.com, 301-906-0962. Or the best thing to do is to go to the website, MattsRVReviews.com, and click one of the 3 contact tabs that work for you. In a few seconds, if you're in the market for a high-end luxury 5th wheel, we will put some other videos right there and there for you to check out. Will, do you have anything you want to say?
Of course. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I really hope a lot of you like this. Again, this is one of the best of the best. You know, this is the high-end 5th wheels right here. So make sure to leave down in the comments below 3 things you like, 3 things you dislike. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.